Using a wood planer has many advantages over other tools. For starters, it can help you quickly and accurately create boards that are perfectly straight with uniform thickness. It also offers greater precision than sanding or hand planers since the blades on the planer cut down the surfaces evenly. After hours of research and after taking an expert advice, we have included a link in the comment box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, 6-amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute. 16 positive stops adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/8 inches. Make rabbets up to 1 inch in size with the 5/16 inch rabbiting guide. Lightweight design weighs in at a mere 6 pounds. Includes power planer, dust bag, a kickstand, a parallel fence bracket and a 2-year warranty. Number 2 purchase includes one stationary 13-inch planer, in/out feed tables with fasteners, attached to the base of the planer base, extra blades and dust hose adapter. Stand is not included. 3-knife cutter head of the thickness planer delivers 30% longer knife life and makes knife change faster and easier. Fan-assisted chip ejection vacuums chip off of the cutter head and exhausts them out of the machine. 19 3/4 inch cast aluminum base is 2 times more rigid than a standard 10-inch base and folding tables. Automatic carriage lock reduces the movement that causes snipe without the need for manual engagement by the user. Material removal gauge and extra large thickness scale deliver accurate cuts with every pass. Extra large turret depth stop allows users to return to most frequently used thicknesses with ease. Includes in-feed and out-feed tables and an extra set of knives. Number 3 spiral cutter head benchtop planer with 26 tungsten carbide inserts. Snipe minimizer. Q-Tech's 4 lead screws and patented coupling design automatically minimizes snipe. No need for the additional snipe lock to get the same results. Depth of cut indicator. Handy scale on the front of the planer shows how much material is taken off with each pass. Repeat cut depth stop. Comprehensive 8 positions depth stop for ease of thicknessing a batch of board to the same size. Versatile flip dust hood. Flip it up and let the sawdust naturally blow out the back, or flip it down to attach a dust collector for optimal chip removal. Board return rollers send boards back to the front for the next planing with the newly added rollers on top of the machine. Number 4 dust collector features a 2 HP motor and an extra heavy-duty 12-inch steel impeller that moves 1,550 cubic feet of air every minute. When it comes to performance and value, this one is hard to beat. 4 wood dust only. Models manufactured after June 2015 come with a 2.5 micron felt upper filtration and a plastic P lower collection bag. The upper 2.5 micron bag, D4572, and lower plastic bags, D4573-5 PK, can be purchased separately for any collectors that do not include them. Motor size, 2 HP, 220V, single phase, 3,450 RPM. Motor amp draw, 12 amps. Has a 6-inch inlet with a removable Y fitting with 2 4 openings. Portable base size, 21.5 inches by 33.5 inches. Bag volume, 5.4 cubic feet. Number 5 Bosch benchtop router table. Benchtop router table attaches to any workbench. Product 1, 2 adjustable feather boards, dust collection port, dual outlet switch, 6 feet power cord. Product 1, aluminum fence with MDF faceplates, aluminum router mounting plate. Product 1 includes router table, 3 mounting plate insert rings, mounting hardware for most Bosch routers, 2 feather boards, adjustable clear guard, starter pin and guard, outfeed fence shims. Product 2, new and improved, the Bosch RA1165 undertable router base is the new base for the 1617/1618 series routers, replacing the RA1164. Product 2, adjustable, the RA1165 conveniently allows depth adjustment of bit height from above the table. The router base is designed for use with 1617, 1617 EVIS, 1617 EVIS PK, 1618, 1618 EVIS routers. Product 2, mountable, the RA1165 base has threaded holes positioned in Bosch's 4-hole subbase pattern and common 3-hole subbase pattern for mounting. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.